Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a sign-up form in Figma. We'll start by preparing your design canvas, ensuring it's perfectly set up for your project. Then, we'll dive into the core elements, using simple shapes and text to build the foundation of your form. Our goal is to make the sign-up process intuitive and user-friendly, guiding your users effortlessly through each step. This approach ensures a smooth and efficient design workflow. Next, let's focus on crafting effective input fields and buttons. You'll learn to design fields for email, passwords, and other user information, ensuring they are clearly labeled and easy to interact with. We'll also create compelling call-to-action buttons that encourage users to complete their sign-up. Maintaining a consistent visual style across all these elements is key for a professional and trustworthy interface, enhancing the overall user experience. Now, let's bring your sign-up form to life with interactivity. We'll explore how to create various states for your input fields, such as hover, focus, and arrow states, providing immediate visual feedback to users. You'll also learn to use Figma's powerful prototyping features to simulate the user journey, making your form feel dynamic and responsive. This step is crucial for testing usability and ensuring a seamless interaction flow. Finally, we'll refine your sign-up form and prepare it for implementation. We'll review design details, ensuring everything is pixel-perfect and visually appealing. You'll also learn best practices for organizing your Figma file, making it easy for developers to understand and implement. Exporting your assets correctly is the last crucial step, ensuring your beautiful design translates perfectly into a functional product. This completes our comprehensive guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.